What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, new video, and I want to continue on last video's topic, which was how to create deep house or minimal deep tech chords. And if you haven't seen the video, I'll put the link down in the description. And because some of you asked for basslines in this video, we're going to talk basslines. So let's go. So here I have the same project in which I was working last time. Let's quickly have a listen to what it sounds like. And then over here we have the same pattern, but then in this drum pattern there's an open hi-hat added. So first I need to check in which key this track is. It's in a C sharp natural minor. I'll keep the transposer open over here also for myself so that I can see which notes. I do actually know the C sharp minor scale, but still I like to have it there. I don't do this when I work with other producers because I'm ashamed. But for the rest of the world on YouTube, you can all know that I use a transposer because I don't always know. I don't know, it just makes me feel a bit more secure, which is nice. So in this sort of deep house, deep tech, minimal house vibe, obviously the sound of your bass is going to be very, very important. I'm not sure if the SH101 is going to be the best choice for this, but I love this synth, so I do want to scroll through some bass sounds to just check if there's something in there, and obviously there is something. The first I love this sound. Okay, screw it, let's go for this. What I actually like to do is I try not to wait too long to choose a preset, and I like to go to work with the melody and the rhythm, and then if later I decide, okay, maybe I don't really like this preset, I'll change it later with the MIDI that I've already played. Just for now, let's mute the kick. And what I like to do is most often I will start playing some notes on the keyboard, even if I'm not the best player, just to get a feel for what I like to hear. And then maybe later I'll go into the MIDI. So let's just play around a bit. Okay, let's maybe add the kick. Okay, so I'm not really sure yet what the rhythm is gonna be like. There are a few things that I have in mind. First is I can start on this on the offbeat, on the right there. At the same, because the kick, this kick, I'm not gonna change the kick because that's not the purpose of the video. I would like to change the kick, but I'm gonna work with it. But the kick is already so sub heavy. If you listen, it's a very low kick. So having the sub right on there as well is not necessarily needed. At the same time, it could be nice to have that one, like with the root note on it. Let's play one octave higher just so that I can hear it better. I think I have something and I'm just gonna record some stuff. Okay, I have a few takes, 6 takes, and the last one is actually quite nice. So let's have a listen. I like this, so I'm just gonna flatten this. I don't need the rest, so I don't mind deleting the previous recordings. And I just need the first 2 bars, and let's just loop this Now I'm gonna play with the MIDI, of course. Let's mute this. And let's grab the root note and put it on the 1. Okay, let's put it on the... Okay, and let's maybe put it 1 lower. I like this. Maybe we can extend this. No. Maybe this. I like this. And maybe we can even extend this longer. And this one is nice, but maybe we can have it go lower. And maybe this one we can extend. And what if we go higher? Or lower? Ooh. Extend. I like this. I quite like this. Let's loop it and let's play it like this. Okay, so that is one bass line. Okay, so let's add some side chaining to it. Doesn't necessarily need so much, but because there's not a lot of notes actually on the 1, but still. Okay, so let's mute this. Let's duplicate this channel. Let's leave the kickstart on it. And this is something I like to do. I will just grab a new VST. Let's grab the Repro 1. And I'm gonna make another bass line. Just because sometimes you have to go with the guts and the first choice is the best choice. But sometimes it's not. And maybe this bass line is not the best, but maybe it is. But I just want to let the creativity flow now that I'm in the zone. So let's... This is a cool bass. I like this. Straight away I have something. Let's just record. The glide, the glide of this preset is killing me. Let's see. I'll go with that one. I'm not gonna get, I don't think I'm gonna get a better recording because my key skills are lacking too much for this glide. Split, and then we can just delete the rest. Put it here, and then let's make a 2-bar loop out of it. It's not too bad, actually. It's not too bad. But this one is really nice, though. But let's see if it needs that swing. It needs the swing. And this one is rushing too much. And what if we extend this one? see now there's the glide again. I need that attack on. I love it. Okay, let's just, no, maybe let's make a small adjustment in the second piece. Let's see what we can do to make this a bit more interesting. Let's loop this. What if we, yes. And then this. Oh, is the first one maybe also a bit too rushed? Let's just quantize it. Let's do something like this maybe. Not really, not really. This is nice. But maybe, is this maybe too much? I do like it. Oh, sorry. Ah! Okay, let's listen to the full thing. It's nice, but this just feels a bit, I don't know, it doesn't feel right yet. This is nice. And what if we actually put on the one here? No. And maybe and if we go lower, maybe it's just this one, which is a bit too long. Let's see if we can get something else out of there. Put it like this. Without the kick, oh, let's loop it. So also just a quick tip over here that maybe you've already seen me do this, but something I like to do and something I actually hear a lot in house tracks these days, which have a very loopy bass line, is that the bass line is not just one bar looped. It's often 2 bars or sometimes even 3 bars looped, but with very small adjustments in the bass line. Just some very small timing adjustments. You see this change over here in this section and this section, it sounds looped, but there is actually a change in there, which makes it a bit more interesting. So just something for you to play with. So there you go, guys. 2 deep tech bass lines. Good luck. Go try it for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.